Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are back with another dish which is called salted fish varuval. Firstly, we are going to add a few onions into our heated pan. Now we are going to add few sliced chilli padi and also few cloves of garlic. Now we are going to add our mixed spices, which is consist of fenugreek seed, mustard seed and also cumin seed, and a little bit of turmeric. Now we are going to add some washed curry leaves for the better aroma. Saute it all together well. And now for some dried chilies. Now we are going to add our salted fish, which already has been fried earlier and all the bones in it have been removed. After mixing our salted fish well, now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of chili powder and together with some oyster sauce. We just need a little bit of oyster sauce because the salted fish already consists of a lot of salt. And mix it together. Now we are just going to add a little bit of salt for the taste. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it. Thank you for watching.